Top skills in year 2021. If you mastered these skills, you can make them your profession too. These are the skills that won't even get affected by corona, lockdown, or anything like that, as you can still work from home. Like those people who are in IT firms or soft skills and are working from home. These skills doesn't need any investment. You just need a PC for this. These skills can be learned while sitting at your home, and even you can generate your income while sitting at your home after acquiring these skills. As you all are computer application students, let's begin with the skills that matches you at the first place. Coding. First learn any programming language whichever you may like, from C++, Java or Python. Then learn data structures and algorithm. Then go for competitive coding on any popular website whichever you may like. You can search for it by yourself. My suggestions would be CodeChef, HackerRank or HackerEarth. After acquiring this skill, you can join any IT firm you may like. Once you got above skill, then you can aim for upcoming opportunities. Like if you like computer games and you are determined to do something in it, you could become a game developer. As the trend Atmanirbhar has started, our country is also focusing on creating in-house games. Then comes AI and machine learning. If you like coding in Python and you want to advance in it, you can go for AI and machine learning, as Python has good amount of pre-made libraries for it. Then comes data scientist and data analyst. If you like statistics, you can give it a try, as day by day more and more data is generated which can help companies to predict future trends, their product demand, people buying habit. For analyzing all this data, people like data scientists and data analysts are required. Now let's talk about skills which are not related to coding, like graphic designing. You would have seen logos and designs from companies to YouTube channels, banners, then there are digital posters, single image ads like you would have seen in Instagram post. Graphic designer is the person behind them all. Graphic designer also makes the mock-ups or the models of the product to show how will the final product will look like before even creating it. It also applies to apps and websites too. Graphics on front end like mobile apps and websites are also created by graphic designers. Those pretty PNG images and texts are graphical designers' responsibility. If you want to know which software is used and how to learn this, you can ask after this video. You can do freelancing in it. It is going to be in high demand as because nowadays people don't watch movies that much, but they watch more and more TV and social media. Next skill is video editing. It is a skill which you can learn just after you finish up watching this video. Open up your laptop, install any video editing app which you find simple and easy to use. Then learn from any tutorial on YouTube. Video editing doesn't have that much demand until and unless you are good at it. And becoming good at it doesn't take that much of time. As you will start editing small video clips every day for a week or so, you will become decent at it in about 20 to 25 video projects. Then you can start freelancing in video editing and can earn decent in it. In this, the amount you earn depends upon your experience and your skill set related to it. Next skill is animation. Whenever a video maker wants to upgrade his content, he uses animation in it. You can see YouTubers and influencers over the internet using small detailed moving images and graphics, which also comes under animation. If we talk about cartoon animation, it helps in creating stories and visually appealing study videos too without stepping out of your home. Animators and video editing freelancers charge on hourly basis. That depends upon how many hours they have worked on that particular video or project. Next skill is content writing. It is not a skill in which most of you would be interested in. This is for people with strong hold over language. It is not just writing for someone or writing blogs somewhere. It includes many more things you may don't even know about. You can just search about it after this video. This is also a job which get paid on hourly basis. With these skills like video editing, animation and content writing, you can see that Indian market is still not that much encouraging because people don't give that much value to it. But people working on freelancing platforms for foreign clients can earn more comparatively. Next comes digital marketing. Its main concept is like suppose there is a brand and they want to advertise themselves. How will they do this? They will post on Instagram, they will reach out for influencers, YouTubers will run their ads on YouTube. It all functions like this. You basically have to do selective targeting. It is not like you start advertising blindly everywhere. You have to decide which age group of audience your product aims at, in which area you want your product to be marketed in, and at which time you want to do so. It is decently promising. Next comes website development. It has two categories. First is creating your website by coding it from the beginning using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is another great skill to have. You would have learned the basics in college. For advancing your skills, you can search tutorials, or there is also a free website called FreeCodeCamp, which you can use to advance your skills in web development. The other types of websites are the drag and drop websites like WordPress, where you don't need to code anything. You can use templates, plugins to create your website, but you won't have that much control over each and every element as you have in your hand coded website. This type of website are good for starting up as a blogger or a person who don't want to do that much of coding. Next comes app developer. You can go for iOS apps as well as Android apps. If you choose iOS, you have to learn Objective C or Swift, which is used for iOS app development. If you are going for Android app, you can use Java, Kotlin, or any other supporting language with Android Studio IDE. Then comes social media influencer. A social media influencer is basically a person creating some content on online platforms. Like you are good at mimicry, or you are good at art, or any other thing that you want to share on internet. Suppose on YouTube, then you should know how its algorithm works and how your content will reach to your audience. What should be your logo, channel name, what should you prefer, quality in your videos or quantity of videos, how frequently you should upload videos or posts, what should be the resolution of your video, 1080p or 4K, how long should be your video, should you make content alone or you should have a team, which content grows more, what is the revenue opportunity in that particular content, and how to create thumbnails. You can learn any of these skills, just you need to pick any one or two of them at a time and start doing it. You can learn everything on your own by taking help from the internet like tutorials and online forums. There are free and paid, both type of resources available for your help. Just you need to find the right one for you. Government is not responsible to provide jobs to everyone. We all have to become entrepreneur. Entrepreneur doesn't mean that you need to make companies worth 100, 200 or 1000 crores. Entrepreneur is the person who don't take paychecks and work for himself. You are sitting at your home working for yourself whenever you like. You learn a new skill and generate wealth from it without investing anything, and this is called real knowledge. The main aim is that we get to learn how to work. It will give you a strong experience in life. If you become good at it, then you may not even need to do anything else in life and could rely on these skills only. Nowadays, everyone has smartphone, but not everyone uses it smartly. Whenever you get free time, at least try to search. Suppose if you want to become a game developer, search for what type of fields are available in game development, which languages are used, what type of job opportunities are available in it, what could be the salary, do we need any course for it? Search all these things according to your interest, and as you start gaining knowledge, go on implementing it, and then whatever you want to become, you will succeed in it. If you want to talk more with me, then you know where I would be. So take care. See you until next time.